Did you know that food plays a vital role in our happiness? When you're experiencing stress, what is your go-to? Do you go towards food? For me, when I do get stressed, I sometimes choose between the happiness of something like meat, which I absolutely love, or I go towards the side of pleasure, which can be most likely potato chips, which I do love as well, but long-term doesn't make my body or my mind really happy. And so it got me wondering, why do certain foods help me elevate my sense of happiness, reduce my stress, and why others don't? And I realized that there's one key amino acid that we need in our bodies every day to maintain levels of happiness, reduce stress, and overall better well-being. In this video today, I'm going to share with you the amino acid that you need to increase happiness naturally, what foods have it, and how you can make it a part of your daily nutrition. The amino acid I'm talking about is tyrosine. When you think about amino acids, they help in the daily function of our bodies. We need amino acids for things like gut health and digestion and immunity, muscle growth. There's so many different benefits for amino acids and the importance of having it in our bodies every day. Now, while L-tyrosine is a non-essential amino acid, it is what I believe an essential component of what can naturally boost our levels of happiness and self-esteem and reduce stress in a natural way. What L-tyrosine does is it assists in the production of dopamine and epinephrine and norepinephrine. And basically why these chemicals are so important is because when you're experiencing stress, it releases these chemicals, which over time, if you're experiencing stress on a regular basis, over time it becomes difficult for your body to replenish these chemicals and then be able to handle the continued stress of everyday life. This is what kind of assists in the breaking down of our bodies and our minds and our willpower. L-tyrosine has been studied mainly in the military, but it has been shown to help reduce cognitive decline in situations where people are under intense physical stress, like lack of sleep or extreme cold. L-tyrosine can really help with your mental and your cognitive performance when it comes to handling stressful situations in the moment, but also long term. Some initial studies do show promise that L-tyrosine can actually help with memory and performance under physical and emotional stress. This actually shows that having this in your life on a regular basis could really help you manage day-to-day activities, both in the short term, but in the long term as well. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video, and I want to let you know that I have a presentation on how to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing. And if you want free access to it, you can click the link below in the description, or you can wait until the end of this video, or you can directly go to thomasedwardsjr.com/webinar and you can watch it there. So what foods has L-tyrosine and how can you incorporate it into your diet? Well, what I found out was that it's mostly in dairy products, particularly in cheese. So cheese, meats, fish, and eggs have a large amounts of L-tyrosine. And if you can make that a part of your diet, that's great. Now, if you're a plant-based eater, then don't worry, there's still foods you can have like nuts, oats, beans, wheat, and soy proteins like tofu and tempeh. Being able to have this as a part of your regular diet may naturally boost your overall mood and your happiness and decrease your stress levels without really having to do much of anything else. Now, I've given tons of advice on how to do it in more practical ways, but this is probably by far the most practical way to boost happiness. It's based on what you eat. But this is what I think. Comment below, let me know what you think. Do you normally eat foods that you think bring down stress but actually doesn't? How do you regulate your body and your mood through what you eat? Now do you realize that maybe what you've been eating has impacted your happiness? Or if you're generally a clean eater, do you notice that your mood is better? Comment, share your experience so people can see how food impacts our overall physical and mental well-being. I hope you found that video fun and useful. And if you want to get that free presentation on how to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing, click the link below. And if you want to watch another video that's fun and useful, click the link right over here. Go ahead, it's right there. Click it. I'll see you there.